Hello, in this tutorial we'll cover convert entities under the sketch toolbar. Now I have created a simple sketch on the front plane. In addition to that, I have created a plane 2 parallel to front plane. If you need any additional information to create planes, refer to tutorial creating planes. Now I want to project or convert these entities or this sketch onto this plane. First off, I'm going to click on the plane I wish to create a sketch on. Under Sketch tab, I'm going to click on Sketch, then on Convert Entities. Convert Entities Manager will pop up here on the left, and within this window is what the entities I will convert to will be added to. So I'm going to click on the circle and add to the window here. And I can click on individual lines as well, and they will populate in this window too. You can delete them from here as well by right-clicking Clear All, Clear Selections, or Delete. You can also select entire entities or object. In this case, it is polygon. But make sure you have selected chain. Click on the edge of the polygon, and it will select the entire object. Now that I've selected all the entities I wish to convert, I'm going to say OK. And as you can see, we have created an exact copy of our first sketch onto this second plane. In addition, you would notice these squares here. These are relations, which means that this sketch, the second sketch we've created from this first one, is dependent on or related to the first sketch. So I'm going to get out of the sketch and I'm going to show you why. So if I go and I edit the first sketch, let's say I make this circle bigger and I make this polygon, I move it over here, I say OK by exiting sketch, and you can see that our second sketch has modified or changed accordingly to the change that we created in the first one. In order to make the second sketch independent from the first sketch, you right-click on the sketch, click on Edit Sketch, and you go ahead and you're going to delete the relations. In this case, I want to delete them all, so I'm going to hold Shift and click on each icon. Then I'm going to right-click on one of the icons and select Delete. Now there's no relation, so this object is now free and independent from the first sketch. I can prove that by changing the objects or entities here, and it doesn't affect or modify our first project. So that concludes the tutorial on convert entities. Thank you.